A double killing in Hendon, Norwood, St. James yesterday has shattered the 2-year record period without a murder or shooting in the zone of special operations there. A curfew is now in effect in the community. We have the details in this report.
Scenes like these had become a thing of the past for Hendon, Norwood, St. James. The community, considered a model for the zones of special operation, was rocked by a double murder Monday night, the first incident since 2023. It's reported that residents of Hollywood in Norwood heard explosions late Monday and called the police. The bodies of 2 men were subsequently found in an abandoned yard.
We have started our investigations and we are picking up some bits and pieces, but definitely we will be increasing our operational stance within this space. A curfew will be put in place in this general area starting 6 p.m. tonight, and we'll definitely be doing a lot more canvassing within the space, trying to ensure that we reassure the citizens here that we will indeed ensure their safety and push to ensure that we create that safe environment for them.
Norwood did not record any murders or shootings in 2024 and 2025. Residents who'd gotten used to the peaceful environment expressed disappointment about the turn of events. Mark Spence is the president of the Community Development Committee, CDC.
We, as the CDC and the community, continues to push for no violent, no murder in the space. But even though this is there, we hope it is the only one for the rest of the year and forever, as we continue to enjoy a crime-free community.
To this end, he revealed that new social programs targeting the youth are in the pipeline.
Pretty soon, we will have some more intervention with our youths that are on the corner. And when I say corner, I mean that the unattached youths and all this type of stuff, to see if we can get them all trained up and through heart program and all of these things, and to see if we can release some of those idle hands.